Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove remembered Instagram accounts from login list. Now first things first, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, then tap on this three horizontal lines, scroll down and you will find this login option. From here you can add account and you will see login to existing accounts option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be able to see all the login list, or you can use a quicker method, that is by long pressing on your profile icon located at the bottom, then tapping on your add Instagram account option. From there tap on this login to existing account. From here you will be able to see your login list, and all you have to do is to remove this, go ahead and tap on this three dotted menu lines and you will find this option called remove profiles from this device. Go ahead and click on it, then tap on that specific account that you want to remove from your login list, and once you've done that, go ahead and tap on this remove option and that specific account will be removed. As you can see, I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.